Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install my Firefox browser on your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app, write Firefox browser, and select this app. Now install it. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and from here start customizing it. First pick the theme, so we can change it from light, dark, or set it automatic. Next is toolbar placement. And you can change it from bottom or top. Next option is always on privacy settings, and you can change it from standard or strict. Sign up to sync other Firefox using devices. And the last thing is privacy notice, which you should read. After all that, click start browsing and your browser will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.